In today's world, a new soldier has emerged, the private military contractor. These mercenaries shape global conflicts. Mercenaries have existed for centuries, but modern ones excel in cyber operations and drones. Demand for private military services has surged as governments face instability. PMCs offer swift deployment and minimize political exposure during casualties. PMCs have influenced U.S. operations, shifting power dynamics in Libya and Syria. Groups like Russia's Wagner Group play central roles in proxy warfare, advancing interests without direct conflict. They also gather intelligence and run influence campaigns with little oversight. Some companies prioritize elite forces, while others focus on profits, complicating regulation. PMCs are tools of statecraft, enabling governments to conduct operations with deniability, sometimes destabilizing regions. Accountability is a critical challenge. PMCs operate in legal gray areas and can evade prosecution. This raises moral dilemmas, especially with civilian casualties. Regulating PMCs effectively is vital to promote transparency. While they can support missions, over-reliance poses risks. The privatization of warfare raises concerns. We must manage this carefully to maintain integrity in military operations.